Hello guys, this is Dai. Today I came to this new Toyosu Fish Market with my friend who's owning izakaya restaurant in Tokyo, and I went with him to do shopping. And unfortunately, the camera is not allowed to go inside. So I'm sorry guys, I couldn't do a lot of videos inside, but I had some special permission to take some small videos inside the fish market. So I'll put it all in this video. So please enjoy, okay? Toyosu Fish Market started operating in 2018. The famous Tsukiji Fish Market moved here, so you can enjoy the tuna auction here now. Most of the places, tourists are not allowed to get in. It is only for professionals. My friend Mr. Sawada comes to the fish market every single day to get the best ingredients. He carries a big cooler box and tries to find the fresh, good quality fish of the day. Also, price varies by several factors: season, weather, and supply and demand. This is a special shot from the famous shop of Anago, the CEO. Look how fast he cut the Anago. After this video, I will share some Anago cooking with my friend, so do not forget to check it out. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you had some experience about shopping in Toyosu Fish Market with us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button. I will see you guys soon. Okay.